Me and Aiden are making a cake. And out of the box. We got perfectly moist triple chocolate cake mix with rich cocoa. Aiden, say hello to the camera.
Hello, camera.
Alright. So we need water, eggs, and vegetable oil. And I'm going to make this, and then I'm going to make the icing, and I'm going to decorate this thing. Alright, so let's get started.
We're going to blend the cake from over there. And we blend it like, and then the blender does like this.
Exactly.
And then you put the eggs.
Yes, we're going to put the eggs.
Can I put the eggs here?
Sure.
Can I crack them?
I crack them. You can actually break them in and put them in here. Ready? All right. Nice try, buddy. Good.
You're the nice one.
Nice try, buddy.
I want to do it. I want to crack it.
All right, ready? Crack it.
My finger.
No, you got egg finger.
I want to mix it.
You want to mix it with me?
Yeah.
All right, we'll take turns.
Okay.
There you go. Hey, but don't leave your back on the camera. They gotta see you. All right, blend that sucker. My assistant. So he blends for about 2 minutes, right? Low speed, about accurate. Good job, buddy. Doing great.
It's turning into chocolate.
But don't eat it because it's got eggs. All right, let me try. Let me get a little mix in there.
Oh, good. Oh, it's super good. It looks like frosting.
Yeah, it smells good too.
Yeah, it's just the frosting.
Good job, buddy. See, that's what I'm talking about. You're like a little chef. I think you got a future, buddy. I think you got a future. Gordon Ramsay, better watch out. Or anybody else who makes cakes, better watch out. That guy, Ace of Cakes, better watch out.
Hi, camera.
What are we making?
Cake.
But what are we making for the cake?
Frosting.
All right. Now that's looking good. Put 2 more cups of confectioner sugar in here. Hey. We're going to put more sugar in there. Thank you very much. Alright, we mix it. I think this time we have enough. And then let's take out the cake, see how it looks. Alright, the cakes came out pretty good. I pulled them out of the thing. They popped out pretty fast. And parchment paper didn't give me too much issue. So now they're cooling on the cooling racks.
Okay.
We got our cake right here. We got our booger right here. We got our different colors. We got purple.
Pink.
It's pink, but it was supposed to be red, but whatever. And
yellow.
And yellow. All right. So, we have our base white right there. So get a little bit of this white here. And put it right here. All right. That's what they show you on the internet, right?
And look, it's chocolate cake.
Yeah, it is chocolate cake. That is right.
And then another chocolate cake, we're going to put this on the top here, like a sandwich.
Like a sandwich.
Like a sandwich. Like a sandwich. Like a sandwich. Like a sandwich. Like a sandwich. They're nice and warm, too. They're nice and warm.
Yeah, it's nice and warm.
Yeah. They're super good. The cake is super good. A top. I have a top of my house.
We have the top of your house.
We got a roof atop of our house.
How's that look?
Good.
It looks good? All right.
Good.
Nick, stand back. Don't taste the merchandise. They can see on the camera.
They go it.
They gotta see it. They gotta see it. People gotta see it, Aiden.
Can I try it? Can I try that?
No, not yet. I don't want you to get your fingers. I don't want finger tasting cake.
What?
I don't want finger tasting cake.
Why?
Because. Oh, that's so good. Alright. Alright, now we're really scoring here on the decorating part here. We got that yellow. Yellow. Yellow.
Yellow. Pink and yellow.
Yellow cake. We'll do some red.
Right there. I put it right there. Yeah, that's not red. That's pink.
Oh, whatever. Pink, red. It's something.
It's pink, yeah.
It's pinky red. Alright, I think I got it. Nailed it.
Nailed it. Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Snailed it.
I like that shirt too.
Alright, so now we got some purple on top.
What? Boys.
Yeah, we got some purple on top.
Going around pink.
It's got a lot of color. It's got a lot of personality.
It gets 3 colors. 3.
Snailed it.
Nailed it. Nailed it.
What do you think, buddy?
Good.
You like it? Would you
Like
eat this
it.
cake?
What?
Would you eat this cake?
The whole cake?
Would you eat the cake?
No.
Why not?
I'll eat it after dinner.
Oh, of course. Well, would you eat this cake? Does it look yummy to you?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like the colors?
Yeah. I like the purple on top. I only like the purple on top of the pink. Yeah. Make our little name. Make it our name.
You're going in circles.
Dad! Buddy, Dad!
That is super
You made
fun.
our game.
Oh, this thing is ugly.
No, it doesn't.
It's ugly, but it still tastes good.
Yeah. Still is fun.
Here's my cake. Hold on, we're still not finished yet.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put sprinkles on it.
it.
Here, have some sprinkles. Yeah, we put some sprinkles on it.
Me too.
Put some sprinkles on it.
I like sprinkles.
How do you put sprinkles on the side? I wonder.
Looks like a happy cake.
It's a very happy cake. Hold on.
I'm gonna put one on the side.
This is our nailed it audition cake tape,
And then we have to.
and we nailed it. Aiden, say it. We nailed it.
We nailed.
Good job, buddy.
And then we have to put a name on it. Me with a name.
All right, we'll try. All right, that's enough for us. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.